Do you dream of paddling like a kayak ninja? Imagine slicing through the water with precision, feeling the rush of the current beneath you, and navigating through both tranquil lakes and challenging rapids with ease. Whether you're a seasoned pro or a beginner looking to embark on your first adventure, having the right gear can make all the difference. So let's dive into the essentials that will transform your kayaking experience from ordinary to extraordinary. Let's gear up with these 10 must-haves. Each item on this list has been carefully selected to ensure you have a safe, enjoyable, and unforgettable time on the water. From the basics to the often overlooked accessories, we've got you covered. First up, you gotta have a sturdy kayak. This is the foundation of your adventure. A well-built kayak will provide stability, durability, and comfort, allowing you to focus on the journey rather than worrying about your equipment. Whether you prefer a sit-in or sit-on-top kayak, make sure it suits your needs and the type of water you'll be exploring. Think of it as your trusty steed on the water. Just like a knight wouldn't go into battle without a reliable horse, you shouldn't hit the water without a dependable kayak. It's your main mode of transportation, your partner in adventure, and your ticket to exploring hidden coves, serene lakes, and rushing rivers. Next, don't forget your paddle. No paddle, no paddling. Simple, right? But it's more than just a tool to propel you forward. A good paddle can enhance your control, efficiency, and overall experience. Look for one that's lightweight, durable, and the right length for your height and kayak type. Third, a comfy life jacket. Safety first, folks. A life jacket is non-negotiable. It keeps you afloat in case of an emergency and provides peace of mind so you can fully enjoy your adventure. Make sure it fits well and is designed for kayaking, offering both buoyancy and freedom of movement. Plus, you get to look like an adventurer. Fourth, grab a whistle. This small but mighty tool can be a lifesaver. In case of an emergency, a whistle can help you signal for help and alert others to your presence. Number 5, water shoes. These are essential for protecting your feet from sharp rocks, slippery surfaces, and other hazards you might encounter while launching or landing your kayak. Plus, they provide extra grip and comfort, making your adventure more enjoyable. Trust me, your feet will thank you. Also, wear clothing that you don't mind getting wet or dirty. Bring along towels that you can sit on to keep from getting your car seats wet. Sixth, a dry bag. Nobody likes soggy sandwiches. A dry bag is a waterproof bag that keeps your belongings safe and dry. Whether it's your phone, camera, snacks, or extra clothes, a dry bag ensures that everything stays protected from water. It's a simple yet crucial item that can save you a lot of hassle. 7, sun protection. Sunglasses, hat, and sunscreen. You don't want to become a lobster. The sun's rays can be intense on the water, reflecting off the surface and increasing your exposure. Protecting your skin and eyes is essential to prevent sunburn and long-term damage. Choose a wide-brimmed hat, polarized sunglasses, and a high SPF sunscreen for maximum protection. 8, a map or GPS. Because getting lost is only okay in movies. Knowing your route and having a way to navigate is crucial, especially in unfamiliar waters. A map or GPS device helps you stay on track, find your way back, and discover new places without the fear of getting lost. 9, snacks and water. Keep those energy levels up like a paddling superhero. Paddling can be physically demanding, and staying hydrated and fueled is key to maintaining your energy and stamina. Pack a variety of snacks such as energy bars, nuts, and fruit, along with plenty of water to keep you going strong. 10th, bring a buddy. Everything's better with a friend, even kayaking. Having a kayaking partner not only makes the experience more enjoyable, but also adds an extra layer of safety. You can look out for each other, share the paddling load, and create lasting memories together. Plus, it's always more fun to share the adventure, swap stories, and maybe even engage in a friendly race or two. And don't forget to bring mosquito repellent. Trust me, you don't want to be swatting bugs while trying to enjoy the water. So there you have it. Arm yourself with these 10 essentials, and you'll be kayaking like a pro in no time. Whether you're exploring calm lakes, winding rivers, or challenging rapids, having the right gear ensures you're prepared for anything that comes your way. Remember, preparation is key to a successful adventure. Take the time to gather your gear, check your equipment, and plan your route. With these must-haves, you'll be ready to tackle any waterway with confidence and style. Invite the whole family to come along on your kayaking adventure for a fun family reunion. And remember to use the tools and resources on Together Hub to plan the event. See you on the water. So, Get out there, embrace the thrill of kayaking, and make the most of every moment on the water. Happy paddling.